Now that you've used AI once, let me show you how to make it feel more helpful without doing anything technical. This still uses a free AI tool called ChatGPT, and this will take less than 2 minutes. You're just going to explain how you like things done. So, open ChatGPT and type this. When you help me write messages, I like them to sound clear, polite, and professional. That's it. Press enter. Now, when you ask ChatGPT to rewrite something, it already knows your style. You don't have to explain it every time. You didn't set anything up. You didn't change any settings. You just taught AI how you like things done. This is how small wins stack up. You're not trying to learn everything. You're just getting a little better each time. Come back soon, and we'll take the next step together.